I think everybody in my family knew that I was going to go into something with aviation. And then I actually joined the military to work on Apache helicopters. So I saw that Central Texas College had an opening with a new aviation program to become an A&P mechanic. So I immediately enrolled in that. I'm really happy with my decision so far.
I'm still in the military. I've been a maintainer for the past 7 years. I worked in Apache helicopters. I've gone from being the crew chief to a maintenance supervisor to quality control. So once I'm done with my program to get my A&P license, in a couple months, about 2 months from now, I'm going to go to flight school. And then I'll have the regular flight training, and then I'll pick a airframe.
Our program focuses on active duty members. Once they have 30 months of experience, to convert that experience into a certification. The local physio will sign an 8610 form for them, fill that gap in, and give them that additional education and prep them to be able to be successful on the exams.
You always gotta challenge yourself, so go for what you want, challenge yourself to be better, and the sky's the limit.